a season where we are all quarantined in our house. But nature has already hit its pause button and is recovering itself from the mess that humans have already created. The pollution index has gone down, nature is flourishing, flora and fauna are flourishing on earth as humans stay inside getting bored. Let's do something. You might have seen videos from Ellen DeGeneres where she was trying to call her celebrity friends and asking them what they are doing, and their answer was absolutely nothing. So let's revisit on the things that we always wanted to do but never had the time to do. If sitting idle is your creativity, then there are lot of options available online on video on demand platforms that you can actually watch right now. Remember that movie that you always wanted to watch because your friend said it's good? This is the time that you can actually spend watching quality movies. So here is a series created by Orange Candy called The Good Watch by OC. It's your weekend movie referral. You can refer to it in our Instagram profile, Orange Candy Creation. The link is in the description below. To get exciting movie referrals and to know how and where you can find them, follow our Instagram page and get updates every Friday. Since this is quarantine season, we are also planning to do it twice a week. For most of the working professionals, since they are working from home, it's now easier for them to save meeting times, save transport time, save petrol. So now you can actually start thinking about courses to attend online, certifications that were always pending, and do all those things that are good for your career right now. So let's concentrate on our careers and let's start learning. So this is the time that you get to spend with your family, your spouses, your parents, to whom you never had the absolute time to talk to. We all had our problems at office, daily stresses, things to complete and stress of the deadlines. After we get home, we'll be like so tired and we'll not be able to physically or mentally talk to anyone, including our parents, even though they have a million things to talk to you. So this is the time that you can just sit on the sofa and talk to them and let them know what is happening in your office, how your daily life is, how stressed you are, and all those things that are happening in your life that they don't know. This can create an amazing bond between you and your family, and it's totally worth it. This is also the time that you can spend with your kids. Paint with them, color with them, include them in all the activities, cook with them. So they are going to have the best time of their lives because 90% of the mothers are going to be at home. So here are some of the best options that we have online to engage them. You can also find below extra links in the description box below. Get creative. Remember that hobby of yours you always wanted to pursue but didn't have the time to do because of your work? This is the time that you can do all that. You can just rewind and start all those things that always amused you, like knitting, painting, crafting. Also, let's take time to read all those good books that we always wanted to read but we never had the time to. It's also time for you to cook those amazing dishes that you always wanted to try at home. Because let's face the fact, ordering outside is not a safe option right now. So let's get cooking. If you don't know cooking, this is a time that you can actually start learning that. So isn't this a great time to do all those kind of thinking and make that change you always wanted to make in your life? So I think it's time that we revisited our health routines, our daily routines, sleep patterns, and everything that is related to our health. So number one, frame that healthy diet routine that we always wanted to include in our life but we never had the time to. We were always eating unhealthy either because we were stressed or we didn't have the time to cook, or let's say we didn't have any reason to do that. But now you have a good reason in your hands. The COVID-19 has changed perspectives about our health. It shows us how important is immunity when it comes to your life.
Include a lot of healthy food that you can afford and you can actually enjoy in your daily diet. Here are some of the best immune booster options that we have. Turmeric, the magic spice, which is anti-inflammatory and contains a lot of antioxidants. Same with green tea, which is filled with a lot of nutrients, and pomegranate in juice and solid form, and garlic, which can actually fight sickness and common cold. Include a lot of citrus fruits as well, which can actually fight infections and bacteria. It's really important that we enjoy the food we eat, so try and experiment on what is most suitable for you during this free time.
We always wanted to get that proper workout routine so that our bodies will get toned and look amazing. We never had the time to experiment on our body, find out what workout is the best for us, what is possible and what is not possible for us. So this is the time that you can think about all those things and set your exercise routine right. So here are some amazing YouTube channels that you can follow, especially for women. Those are easy workouts that you can do at home for at least 10 minutes a day. It is not necessary that you go to gym to do all these workouts. You can do it easily at home and it's very effective. It's totally normal that at this point of time we prefer to sit in the sofa, sleep for a long time, take that rest that we always wanted to do. But again, absolutely it's your choice and what your life has been before COVID and what you want it to be after COVID. So my name is Meera Rajan. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification. See you next week with another exciting video.